We'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we're at oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we have dipped into negative MACD territory and we're still near oversold levels with the RSI. We're currently resting right along the 200 moving average, this green line at the price of $25.11. As we extend out to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge there and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. If we were to continue to move down lower, the next possible support level will be where you have the 150-day moving average, this red line, which acted as support in the past as indicated back in November 30th, is now at the price of $23.80. And as for resistance, that will be where he made the highs back in January 6th at around a price of $28.10. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 10.2%, and to test support, that is around 6.5%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $22.48, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $23.82, and my stop loss is at $22.19. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.54, and that is this range there. My sell target for it is at $22.79, and my stop loss for it is at $24.86. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 20% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 4.4% and a 10% chance to climb between 4.4% to 8.7%. As for downside, it has a 70% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4.4%. And thank you for watching.